I know what music sounds like. Sweetly amid foliage, the nightingale feasts, and when the wood turns green, the leaf is born fresh and green. I am renewed as well through joy and bloom, as is my habit, with the sweet music of the morning, which the birds intone out of love. Joyous summon to the ear, and as they straddle one another, and each treads his mate, it is right that we straddle somebody as well, with true love, without pride. Because I know enough and see, since evil grows proud, that love ought not to stir envy. Joy agrees with love, and they don the same clothes, and whoever might disapprove of it, I shed my meanness. Love is clad in fine joy, and joy makes of love its lord. And evil, which doesn't end, debases and overthrows it. Courteously it beckons us true love, and it refines itself. It makes of joy its call, so I submit even more to it. Whereas evil repels worth and doesn't know where to dwell, that's why I like youth to welcome love, and to remain with it. Over the best rules my music, no matter how I variate it, and I master the words entwining them, and I can say them the way I like. And I see the end of the poem that Sir Grimoire proposes to you. Let him weave it with pleasure and refine it, whoever can expose it in a good voice.